Okay.
You're just substituting.
Yeah.
Everybody here knows about substitution, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Hopefully you do. So when you find your x, all you do is just substitute it for the x's in this type of situation.
Oh, so that makes
So that you can find the most work that you're going to be doing. Honest to God, the most work that you're going to be doing is finding your x. And then once you find your x, then all these other angles fall into place. Okay? All right. We can try. I'm gonna let y'all try this one right here. Here's one without one.
Oh, we skipping 5?
Yeah, I mean 5 is pretty much the same exact one. Hold on. We have COD.
Doc.
Yeah, that's pretty much the same one. It's just angle addition function.
Alright.
So, if you look at this one right here,
Number 6.
right? Number 6 is saying angle ABC and angle EBF are a pair of vertical angles, okay? It helps to draw the picture. So let's draw this.
Wow.
Okay? Angle
ABC.
Wasserman.
What?
What is our vertical angle? Like, what is the one angle that's connecting both of these vertical angles together? What's the one in the center?
B.
Good job.
Yes.
It is the B, okay? How does he know that? How do you know that?
Because you just said what's in the middle and.
Exactly. It speaks for itself. It speaks for itself, though. All right? It's that easy. All right? If y'all look at this, A, B, C,
Oh my God, it's a B.
and E, B, F. Okay? That is, it clearly tells you what your vertical angle is, okay?
But
Or your vertex, I mean, not the vertical angle, your vertex is that is connecting both of these lines together, okay?
yeah. But how do you determine where A, C, and F?
A and C go up top, E and F on the bottom.
You
Yeah.
put it like that, you can put it like that. So you can say A, B, C, and E,
Oh, F, G.
B, F,
I was about to say,
okay?
No.
Okay, so you can put it like that. A and C go up top, E and F go on the bottom, okay? So there are a bunch of vertical angles, right? Angle ABC is, let me,
It's 3x plus 8.
yes, 3x
And then the other one's 2x plus 48.
plus 8. And then EBF is 2x plus
I'm gonna be
48,
I already forgot
okay?
There is no D.
Yeah.
This is your congruence postulate, okay? I want y'all to, at the top, on the other question, what was it, number 4? Next to part plus part equals whole, I want y'all to write addition postulate. So, when I wrote up there, part plus part equals whole, I want you to write next to it addition.
Posture.
Uh-huh.
Alright.
Post.
Host.
Yeah. Addition post.
This might be others.
That's short for addition postulate, okay? I want you to write that next to your part plus part equals whole.
I wrote it underneath. It's
Okay.
in the room.
Well, just make sure that you have it, okay? Make sure you have this in your notes because you will be seeing this more often. Down here for number 6, and I'm thinking complementary. No, that's the complementary one. So, for this part right here, I want you to write congruent postulate. Post. Congruence postulate. And that is part equals part.
I thought we never said.
Yes, we never say equals, but in an equation,
There is equals.
yeah, you have the equal sign. So if two parts are congruent with each other, this is how you pretty much draw this out, okay? So when looking at this, you have angle A, B, C
Oh.
is congruent with angle E, B, F. And because angle ABC is congruent with EBF, therefore angle ABC is equal to angle EBF.
You just,
So therefore, and then,
you just
What?
put the exact same thing
Huh?
twice.
yes, I did write the exact same thing twice. This is how
Wait,
we
what's
trans.
that squiggly thing?
It's congruent.
This
it's equal
this
to-
sign means congruent.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's just an equal sign with a little squiggly over top of it. Okay?
What's the?
Yeah.
and
That's
be-
the congruent thing.
And because they're congruent, therefore they're equal. And because they are equal, therefore, now we substitute. Now we substitute. You're going to be doing a lot of
Would
substituting.
it be 3x plus 8 equals 2x plus 48?
Say it louder.
This.
3x plus 8 equals 2x plus 48.
Why do you sound like a child of shoe?
Okay, so
Right,
if you notice how I'm doing this step by step. Because this is the why right here. Okay, y'all need to understand the why in this type of situation. Why this is happening like this. Why this congruence postulate is stating part equal to part. Okay, because they're, number one, they're vertical angles, and vertical angles are congruent with each other. So angle ABC is congruent with EBF, and because they're congruent, therefore angle ABC is equal to EBF. And then I substitute, which means ABC is equal to 3x plus 8, so therefore 3x plus 8 is equal to what EBF is equal to, which is 2x plus 48. All right?
X equals 4.
Now we have a variable on either side of the equal sign. We get to solve, okay?
We get crippled.
X equals 40.
All right,
X
so
equals 40.
negative 2x, negative 2x, negative 8, negative 8, boom,
Batman.
boom, right? We have x equal to 4, 40,
I was about to say 4.
40.
Where did the other,
Sorry.
Zero.
Okay.
36 go?
Six.
True. So, it says, what are we done?
No.
He said no, no.
What does it say? What are the measures of ABC and EBF?
40 degrees.
Well, we gotta plug it in. We gotta plug it in. So,
40 plus 40 equals 80.
What?
Wait a minute. What?
we
Yeah, hold up.
we gotta plug it in. And here's the beauty about this, all right? Because both of these are equal, you can pretty much plug it into either one. So whichever one is easiest for you. The top one?
It doesn't look like it. I just picked one.
The bottom one is
Just,
easier.
just do the top.
Do the
Do the top? I'll do both, all right? So let's start with the top. 3 times 40 plus 8, right?
Yeah.
Yo.
3 times 4 is what?
120.
There you go. Well, I was gonna say 3 times 4 is 12, put the 0 on the end,
And then it's 128.
right? Plus 8, that's equal to 128.
And the other one's 128, maybe.
Alright? Bottom one. 2
It's,
times 40
it's 80 plus
plus
48.
48.
And that
Right?
gets you to
So we have 80 plus 48,
Oh no, that gets you.
88.
No, not 8. I was still wrong.
still 128.
Oh my god!
Mikey?
It's magic.
The main thing that I want y'all to understand about this is
So it's
if you solve,
128
if you,
degrees?
huh?
128 degrees.
Yes. the main thing I want you to understand about this though is that if you solve for one, you're pretty much solving for both of them. So you can choose which one of these you want to do.
Yeah,
Alright?
because if it's congruent, then
Now make add those together and divide them by the opposite number.
okay.
What?
Never mind. No.
That made no sense
Anyway,
at all.
I just want
any questions, comments, and concerns on this? Yeah, yes.
He said we're doing it, yeah?
Alright, so
yes.
y'all practice with this paper.
Is this homework?
No.
He never.
Tomorrow is our quiz.
There's a backside?
Yes, there is a backside.
Are we going to?
No, I'm only doing the front side. The back side
Oh,
is easy. It's just a whole bunch of the same problem, just in different aspects. Extra stuff for you to example with tonight. Now,
Just morph it out.
I would be terrible.
Chapter cut off.
Don't worry.
Oh wait, I think he's still recording.
You dummy.
alright. So, this together one right here. This is a together one. Everybody has the same questions on this one, alright? So that we can do this together, and I'm about to hand out the worksheet that has it all, alright? So, right here, I'm giving you both angles, that's what we've been working with, and the line segments, alright? You might want to write this in your notes too. Get your notebook out, write this in your notes. So, you have the addition postulate.
Possibly.
Alright, addition postulate is part plus part equals whole. You will see that. Sublevels of the addition postulate is complementary, which is part plus part equals 90 degrees. And then you have supplementary. Oh. I think that's supplement. Yeah, that's right. Which is part plus part
180.
equals 180.
We're gonna get to the 360.
Okay?
You should.
That's the addition postulate. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
It encompasses a lot. Because I kind of noticed a couple of y'all were looking at this last worksheet like, what? You know, you just went over supplementary and complementary yesterday. Yes, I did. And this is the main definition that deals with it, okay? Part plus part equals whole. Complementary, part plus part equals 90. That is the whole for that 90, okay? The 90 is that whole. Supplementary, part plus part equals 180. That is the whole for that, okay? Congruence. Congruence.